He always said later, then he forgot.
Yeah, this is the Carby.
Number
Our
one.
number one premium meat.
Pay for them because I pay for Disney Plus and all that.
Chirimato bone.
I'm not paying
Yeah,
for
this is
the,
with the no bone. Yeah, this is.
This is Bulgogi, his favorite.
Tickets I never went.
Yep, marinated ribeye.
This is John's favorite.
I'm just not as big on the theater experience because only thing is get up and go to the bathroom. The food is bad. Blah blah
Okay.
blah. You know.
First off, if you're going to the theater to eat